This is one of the most interesting projects I've come across in 2022. Metropoly is the first real estate NFT ecosystem marketplace in the world backed by real properties. It has made it easier for us to invest in real estate without any paperwork and no hidden fees. It's not like investing in real estate the old way. We'll start by asking what Metropoly is all about. Comparable to Monopoly in some ways, yes, it also pertains to real estate. So, I gave a brief introduction to Metropoly at the beginning of the video, but what are the specifics? How does Metropoly make it easier for us to invest in real estate? Well, there are so many benefits to Metropoly that you can find in a traditional way to invest or even in another project. So, it seems that if you invest in Metropoly, you can invest in real estate all over the world in a completely decentralized way. You can buy a piece of property in parts or all at once. If you buy a fraction of a property, you'll get a real estate NFT or rent and get a monthly rental payment as passive income. Moreover, you'll also benefit from long-term property value appreciation. This is because Metropoly will act as a real estate agency built on the blockchain to handle everything related to the property and paperwork, such as finding good tenants and keeping the building in good shape. The properties are owned by Metropoly Ltd or a third-party company that has been checked out and trusted. Each investor will have a property manager, someone who visits and manages the real-life property in your behalf and give you a report. Later in the Metropoly marketplace, you will get an integrated inbox system which facilitates you and your property manager to communicate. All you have to do is choose your dream property and put down at least $100, then wait for the monthly rent payment paid in USDT direct to your wallet. In this way, you can also diversify your portfolio. Later on in the Metropoly marketplace, you'll find a calculator that lets you figure out the rewards, return on investment, fees, etc. If you want to buy a whole property, you can buy all of the shares and ask for the ownership to be changed to your name. It has to be legal, and it has to follow the laws of each country. Metropoly will help you with all the steps and paperwork you need to do. By using Metropoly, you can trade your shares, rent, easily through Metropoly Marketplace or other market that will support it, such as OpenSea. It's effective and efficient, liquid and hassle-free. Is it safe to invest in this project? Although there is no ultimate safety in the crypto world, you may take these factors into account before investing in Metropoly. In addition to the outstanding use case, Metropolis crew has been doxxed. The team is based in London, Dubai, and Ontario. Given that it is available to the public, you may verify their identities using your own. Please visit the team section of their website. Additionally, they conducted an audit using solid proof, which you can see by clicking on the URL I'll provide in the description below. Metropoly intends to construct an ecosystem that will include a marketplace, a launchpad, a mortgage platform, and a voting mechanisms. For each of these features, you can learn further through their white paper. What then is the source of the Metropoly ecosystem's view? And what are the benefits of each one? You will get passive income based on the NFTs, also known as what we've named rents, which will operate as a representation of one share in the property. You may also use your rent as security for loans. You may exchange it or put it up for auction too. Along with rent, Metropoly also have a native token called Metro that will serve as the ecosystem's utility token. When you exchange your rent in the marketplace of Metropoly, the expenses will be charged in Metro. Stablecoins will be accepted for rent purchases, although using Metro may result in charge reductions. The reward system also uses Metro as incentives. The total quantity of Metro is 1 billion based on the Ethereum blockchain. It is clear how the divide works, about 28% for presale, and we are now in the second stage of presale, which will continue 5 days. It's a fair launch presale. So far, the first stage has successfully raised over $180,000. The presale began on October 30 and lasted until December 19. Therefore, the presale is separated into 10 stages, each with its own advantage. An example, for the first stage, you will get a 50% bonus, which will progressively decrease as you go through the stages. I will provide a link to their presale page in the description for further information. On December 1st, Metropoly Marketplace will be live, and on December 19th, Metro will be listed on Uniswap. Watch to see with us whether the team can successfully implement their plan of action. So, are you interested in participating in their presale? I really hope that this little review is helpful. If not, you can always visit their white paper to learn more about the project. In the meanwhile, keep doing your own research, and I'll see you in the next video.